Hello, I'm Erick Voorhees from SIMPLEX QUANTUM. Today I'll introduce NEHA HF, our AI-powered and non-invasive solution designed to detect heart failure. Heart failure affects 64 million people globally and costs healthcare systems over $100 billion a year. Tragically, it's often diagnosed too late, after heart damage has already occurred. And as a result, it carries a 5-year mortality rate of 50 to 75%. 35% of patients are readmitted to the hospital within the first year. And this is because current diagnostics, like echocardiograms or blood tests, are often reactive, only done after the patient has gotten sick enough to present in a healthcare setting. And then, after post-discharge, the monitoring is fragmented, inaccessible, inaccurate, and rarely good enough to remove those repeat hospitalizations. The challenge is solved with a 30-second lead-1 ECG and NEHA HF. Our advanced AI accurately detects heart failure, fitting seamlessly into the standard workflow on a 12-lead ECG, or enabling heart failure detection outside of the clinical setting on a smartwatch. The results are then immediately given to the patient via their phone and sent to their provider for real-time insights to let them know if intervention or further testing is needed. This isn't just a concept. NEHA HF was trained on 28,000 ECGs, including 3,700 heart failure cases. It was then validated at the University of Tokyo with 1,100 patients, achieving a high diagnostic accuracy with an area under the curve of 0.958, comparable to established diagnostics for heart failure. Additionally, we've completed real-world validation in an Apple Heart study involving 5,000 patients, demonstrating NEHA HF's validity outside of clinical settings. And we're now pursuing regulatory clearances, anticipating PMDA approval later this year and FDA approval in 2026. Current heart failure diagnostics are invasive, primarily only done inside a clinical setting and often incomplete. NEHA HF addresses this by only requiring a non-invasive single-lead ECG that can be used both inside and outside of the clinic. And unlike other ECG-based diagnostics that only detect heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, HFrEF, NEHA HF is able to also detect the more elusive heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, HFpEF. HFpEF consists of almost half of the heart failure diagnostics, yet it's widely underdiagnosed. This capability is protected by SIMPLEX QUANTUM's global IP portfolio, which includes our proprietary algorithms, our specialized hardware integration, and the HF index scoring system. So with no direct competitors that are doing exactly this, we really do have strong market differentiation. We sit at the intersection of 3 high-growth markets. 300 million ECGs are performed every single year. The wearable device market hit $45 billion in 2024 with over 100 million Apple Watch users. And the remote patient monitoring market is projected to exceed $230 billion by 2034. Our multi-channel model our revenue model is going to tap into this in a few ways. Through consumer app subscriptions, RPM and telemedicine platform partnerships, licensing deals with device manufacturers, and hospital system integrations. Even modest adoption in any category should turn into significant revenue potential. Our team is powered by a multidisciplinary group with AI innovation experience, healthcare commercialization experience, and strategic growth experience. We're led by serial entrepreneur Ryu Saito. We've established partnerships with institutions like the University of Tokyo Hospital and platforms like Apple Research Kit. This lays a robust foundation to not only launch NEHA HF, but continuously develop, iterate, and expand our pipeline of transformative AI-powered solutions. Today, we invite you to join us in transforming heart health. We're raising a Series B to complete US clinical trials, secure regulatory approvals, scale NEHA HF's commercialization in Japan and the United States, and advance future AI-driven solutions. With an expert team, a strong IP portfolio, and key partnerships, Simplex Quantum is set to revolutionize cardiovascular care, delivering strong investor returns and saving millions of lives. Thank you.